What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. I got a difficult decision to make, and I figured I'd let you guys chime in, and that'll help me in making a decision. So I've got a 1978 Chevy Bonanza C20, and I've got a 1986 Ford F250. The F250 runs and drives, has working air conditioning, has a big block 460, and a C6 transmission, and it's an extended cab, so there's room for the kiddo in the back seat, you know, more room for people, bigger wheelbase, which makes towing a little bit easier, bigger engine with a lot more torque, again, great for towing, air conditioning, absolutely a necessity in Oklahoma. Then we got the C20. What do I do? I'm torn. I'll be honest with you. I love the F250, but I don't like the body style. I'm not a big fan of the body style from that era. The C20, however, love the body style. Love it. I don't know what to do. I don't know. I love the C20. I really do. But there's still so much work to do to the C20. And I mean, there's also so much work to do to the F250. What a conundrum. And I know some people are going to be like, why don't we keep both of them? I can't justify insuring and keeping both trucks. That just doesn't make any sense. So I'm going to sell one. I'm either going to sell the Chevy Bonanza or I'm going to sell the F250. And right now I'm really more inclined to keep the F250. And I'm inclined to keep the F250 even though I don't care for the body style because generally it is just in better shape. Okay, maybe that doesn't make a lot of sense. Things like the window seals are still good in the F250. And here's one big deal. The F250, for whatever reason, even though it's riding on older technology, the F250 is a very smooth and very comfortable riding 3/4 ton truck in comparison to the C20. The C20, it's a rough rider. And I know it's a truck, you know, it's supposed to be, no big deal, but I didn't realize how rough that thing was riding until I got into the F250 and realized how comfortable that truck is, and that's on a worn out suspension. So, you know, the F250 already has working air conditioning. The C20, AC needs a complete overhaul on it. Complete. There's missing brackets, there's missing wires, missing hoses. The air conditioning is going to be an expensive job, whereas the F250, you can jump in it right now, kick the air on, and it's got nice cold air conditioning, it's got more room, bigger wheelbase, like I said. I think, what do they say, like form over function or something? I would actually prefer to have something that's really what I need it to be. It's still a project, believe me. There's a ton of work to do to the F250. Man, there's a lot of work to do to the F250, but the F250 is a running, driving truck right now that's capable of doing everything I need it to do, and it's capable of doing it comfortably. Especially that air conditioning is a huge deal for me. That's a huge deal to have working air conditioning in one of these trucks, and the ride quality, that's another huge deal. That big block, another huge deal. There's so much potential with that big block. Edelrock sells a power kit for about $3,800. That's heads, cam, probably comes with heads, cam, intake, carb, and it's $3,800 and it produces 550 horsepower. That's pretty impressive for $550. So much potential with that truck, man. And I know it's not a cool looking body style, but we can make that truck look good. So what do you think? Now, I already ordered rims and tires. I did, and I got them for under $1,000. Under $1,000 for brand new rims, brand new tires, and brand new lug nuts. I hope you guys like them. They'll probably be here on the 24th, 25th. We'll get them installed and see what you guys think. We're definitely changing the paint color. I'm not keeping that tan colored paint. I still think, I don't know. We'll talk about paint later, but for now, what do you think? Do you think we should keep the F250 or do you think we should keep the C20? We're going to make this real simple. You can just comment below or like the video for the F250 thumbs down the video to keep the C20. Now, I'm not saying that I'm going to take your advice and like, this isn't necessarily a vote that's saying, you know, if the C20 wins, then we're definitely keeping the C20. I just want your opinion. I'm still going to make my own decision. And right now, I really feel like I should sell the C20 because the F250 just has so much more potential for me and what I'm looking to use it for. And, you know, 3 weeks, 4 weeks down the road, I may buy a diesel truck. That's just what I do, guys. I don't keep cars. I have fun with them. I build them. I waste money on them. I do videos for you guys. It's a lot of fun. I thoroughly enjoy it. So I'm not really worried about the money or anything like that. Just curious to see what your personal opinion is on this, because I feel like the F250 is better suited for what I need right now. And I'm sorry, I've got allergies real bad today. I have moved, with my brother's help, an entire house in the time of 3 days. In 3 days, we have not only packed and moved an entire huge house, but we've also got the new house set up, the old house cleaned, got the deposit back on the old house, did all the yard work. I've had almost no sleep in 3 days, so I'm exhausted, plus my allergies are kicking in, and it's killing me, so it's hard for me to talk for any length of time without getting a frog in my throat. So, thumbs up, we keep the F250. Thumbs down, you think I should keep the C20. And then I will take your opinion into consideration when I make my decision to either sell the Ford or sell the Chevy. But one of them has to go. There's no reason to keep both of them. Comment below. Tell me what you think. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Stay safe out there. Like the video. I'm not editing it. I'm done. Like the video to keep the F250. Thumbs down the video to keep the C20. Tell me what you think. Be sure to comment below. Go ahead and leave me a comment anyway. I love reading y'all's comments. Stay safe out there, everybody. Sorry I totally trashed this video. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you soon in the next one with a final decision.